Today, I'd like to share 3 realizations that I had while reflecting on the reality of friendship. First of all, friendship is a choice. It's not like a family whom you are bound to. Wala kang choice. Siya na talaga. Pero kung kaibigan mo yan, pinili mo siya bilang kaibigan. Pwede kang pumili ng kaibigan. And that in many ways is what love looks like. Love is love if it is freely given. So when Jesus calls us His friends, ibig sabihin, pinili niya tayo. Kahit marami tayong pinagdaanan, marami tayong kamalian, marami tayong kapalpakan, patuloy tayong pinipili ni Jesus bilang kaibigan. The second is that friendship allows you to chill. Sinasabi ng mga kabataan ngayon, kapag stress na tayo, chill. Anong ibig sabihin? Kapag ikaw ay kapiling ng kaibigan mo, you are yourself. You are the best version of yourself. You are vulnerable before your friends. You can share your joys, your love, your triumphs, and at the same time, pwede ka rin maging totoo sa kaibigan mo. At pangatlo, friendship inspires change. Change. Kung magbabago tayo ng buhay, sana hindi dahil natatakot tayo sa Diyos. If we want to change, we hope it is a change brought about by love.